Hello, this uh, video is about T3 or solving for a factor. Again, the keyword is a factor. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, let's see this example here. Which expression is a factor of 3x squared minus 16x minus 64? Now, I'm going to type here the expression, or you can put it in equation, which is minus 16x minus 64. Now, the choices here are A, 3x minus 8, B, 8x plus 3, C, x minus 8, and D, 8x minus 3. So first, I'm going to look at my graph. So this is my quadratic graph for the given. Now, I need to know which of these choices are matching or intersecting on the x-axis on both given equation and the choice equation. So let's start the first one, 3x minus 8. So if you can notice, the intersection is not on the red of my given equation. So that number is not an answer. Next is 8x plus 3. Same thing here. This doesn't intersect on the red. Okay. The third is x minus 8. Now, this one, the purple one, okay, I'm going to erase this part here. This is the one that intersect the given equation, which is the red, and the x-axis together. They intersect on the same point, which is 8. Okay. So that is my answer. Okay. Letter C. Well, to complete this, I'm gonna use the letter D, which is also it's not be an answer. So again, the answer here is letter C.